On your Citroen C3, this is the 2021 model, the doors will automatically lock when you do 6 miles an hour and above. Also the boot will lock as well, but you might want to deactivate that. If you do, it's really easy to do. We just need to hold this button down for quite a few seconds, and then you will hear an audible tone and it will come up here that it's been deactivated. So let's do that now. I'm going to hold it down now, keep holding it. There we go, you heard the bong and it says automatic door locking deactivated. So now if you were to go for a drive over 6 miles an hour, the doors and the boot will not lock. If it's already been deactivated and you want to activate it, again, you just hold down this button here, and then after about 4 seconds or so, it will come up with automatic door locking activated, and that setting will stay. We could get out of the car now and then come back in, lock up and everything, come back in, and that will be there. So once you deactivate it, it will stay deactivated. Thanks for watching.